There should be more y'all clapping than that. I'm sorry. See, here's the thing. Here's the reason why nobody wants to be fat. It's because people get personal with you when you are fat, right? I was at a restaurant recently, and I was eating. Of course, it was a buffet, because I love buffets, okay? So I'm at the buffet, and I'm doing my thing, and this lady looks at me and goes, ooh, you're all disgusting and fat, sweaty. You don't need all that food on your plate. Ooh, it smells like bacon. Oh, my God, you're nasty. And I'm like, Mom, I really don't need this from you.
What's good, YouTube and returning life gainers? And being overweight is no laughing matter, and it can be one of the toughest challenges you face in your life. Most people make their New Year's resolutions to lose weight. That's why we're discovering this topic. And there's one secret all diets have in common, and I'm going to let you know in this video so that you don't got to go get this surgery done in your stomach. If you're just now finding my channel for the first time, go ahead, subscribe, like this video, and let's dive into it. Good YouTube, all knowing, all loving, all feeling, all seeing, all powerful. Just damn all everything. Sexy as hell host, bringing you guys your life gain, getting you started in 2018 to help you make those fitness goals. And today we're talking about what's the commonality in all diets, and the one simple commonality in no matter what diet you use, keto, paleo, any of them. It don't matter which one you use. If your goal is weight loss, the commonality in all those diets is calorie reduction. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. There ain't no hocus pocus, alamigocious. It's just as simple as that. Now, where it starts to get fine-tuned is if your specific goal is you want to try to target fat loss, then you're going to have to do something that kind of controls your insulin throughout the day. But if your goal is just overall weight loss, it's just calorie counting in and out. It's just that simple. But the problem with that is you need to do something that is calorie restrictive, that is safe for your particular lifestyle, how you train, how you rest. And when you start talking about that, that's when you start getting into trouble, because some people have lost weight eating one meal a day. That's not going to work for everybody. Some people do keto, which doesn't usually work for everybody, especially if you're like a high intensity athlete. That's not going to work for everybody. Then you've got paleo, which works for some people, but you know, this whole thing is about finding the diet that works best for you. Me personally, I do a combination kind of semi-keto and paleo, where I typically keep my carbs around 100 to 120 when I'm cutting, and I keep my calories set at a certain level, and from that I mix up. After I meet my calorie restrictions for carbs, everything else I get in my calories is going to be protein and fat, healthy fat for the most part. Because your weight loss journey is not just simply about getting from point A to point B. It's also about putting in place a lifestyle so that you don't go back to the behaviors that got you overweight in the first place. That's the whole goal of this channel, life gain. So if you're doing this for life, you're staying healthy and fit for life. And there are a couple of things you're going to want to have to help make that process easier. And I've got some of those things right here in my kitchen, and we'll take a quick look at them. Two of the best devices to make sure you're getting quality food and reducing calories would be this Vitamix, the best blender on the marketplace. It'll blend anything you put in it, which makes that blending very, very easy. And the George Foreman grill will cook any meat you put up there, and you don't have to add any extra oil. All of that helps you reduce the overall calorie count of the foods that you're putting into your body, and you make them quality foods. So guys, that is it. There's no mythology behind this thing. It's not as hard as you think. You've got to try different things in your diet if your goal is trying to lose weight, and the healthiest way to do that is fat reduction. And that's when it comes into, you know, what you eat before you go to bed, what you eat after you training and all that. But if you're just getting off the couch, like you're just starting now, I want you to just simply set a calorie restriction and see how your body adjusts to that over the next 2 to 3 weeks. Calorie restriction, I want you to go work out in the gym. And then when you hit that plateau, I don't want you to become demotivated. I want you to come hit me up. Ask me what you can do because you set your calories low and now things aren't working. That's when you start tweaking your diet with the carbs and all these other various diet styles to see what's going to get you the best amount of results from that point, guys. Time is your best friend when you're dieting. You know, oftentimes time can be a killer in all other areas of life, but in dieting, the turtle wins the race. Time is your friend, and I want you guys to do the best you can to get into a diet that's going to be something you can adjust into your lifestyle, and you too will ultimately make those great life gains that you so richly deserve and that you want and need in 2018. And if you want somebody to help you out, hit me in the link below, www.facebook/lifegains07, and I'll do what I can to see what we can do to help you out. You know, I'm all about making sure people go through the transformation that they need. I went through a transformation. I'm a simple guy with nothing special about me, and you can do it too. I believe in you. Stay motivated. When you feel demotivated, watch a video, watch something inspiring that you love to keep you on your quest, and you'll keep making it week to week. And that's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe. Go out there and get yourself a life game. Check my links below. Check out what I'm all about. Check out some of my past videos. Check out my affiliates down there as well. And until that next Sex is Hell video, I'll see you in 2018 making those life gains. If you enjoy the content on my channel, please take your cursor, click the subscribe button. If you want to receive an alert every time I drop a new video, click the little bell. And if you want to connect with me on Facebook, you can click this button. If you want to connect with me on my other social media, I got a button for you here, a button for you here. And if you're one of those people that want to make a donation, donations can be made through my Patreon account by going to www.patreon.com/lifegains. You can also get private videos done. This is how you can support my channel. Just click here and become a Patreon, and you will continue to get great content by Life Gains.